Hello friends, in last three videos we have seen poem 2.1 comparison and means its explanation, and today in this video we are going to see its a workshop. So let's start. First question. Here first question is given, that is about list all the adjectives in the poem. Use the comparative forms of at least 8 of them to write new comparisons. 2 of them have been given as examples. Oh, before starting this workshop, it is better for you have to also open your textbook on page number 35. Okay, again I am starting. First question. List all the adjectives in the poem. This poem is comparative, means comparison, means here that poet has done many comparisons between many things. Means poet has used here their qualities, and qualities means adjectives. So mostly this poem is related with their qualities means adjectives. Here see, here I am reading some adjectives. For example, here that slow, small, gentle, sweet, wet, round, warm, white, weak, soft, light, then short, straight. In this way, these are some examples of adjectives are given in this poem. The next part of this question. Use the comparative forms of at least 8 of them to write new comparisons. Now just whatever I have read, these adjectives, these are simple form of adjectives. Then here they expected from us comparative forms of these adjectives. For example, slow, slower. Slow, slower means here we have to do some comparison between two things or two persons or anything there. The same is here. Fast is also given here. Faster, faster. Slow, slower. Small, smaller. Gentle, gentler. In this way, you have to write their comparative forms. Now next, the next part of this question, that is what here, 2 of them have been given as examples. That's see the here they have given example. Faster than the wind. Faster than the wind means here that fast is given in this poem, but that fast is given as the speed of spaceship. And next is given here that what, slower, slow, slower, slower than a tortoise. They have given example. That's, but in this poem they have given slow as that what here, the speed of snail. In example they have given tortoise, and in poem they have given snail, but that is also speed. Next they have given in bracket big. That is big. Is it very simple? Bigger. Then we can say that bigger than a tower. Also it is okay. Then next, what that here? Even bigger than a tree. Bigger than a building. In this way also you can make your own sentence. Next, that here small. They have given here small. Small in poem they have compared with nail. But here we can make it is another one, small, smaller, smaller than a van. You can do that. Smaller than a van, smaller than a pen. In this way also we can do. The next is they have given fierce. That is fierce. Fierce. Then that what here? Fiercer. Fiercer, that is fiercer than a ghost. Next it is they have given gentle. Gentle, that is turned into gentler. Gentler than a flower, or even you can say that here gentler than a kitten. Next they have given, means I have taken here sour, that is sorer. Sorer than a tamarind. Then next noise, noiser. Noiser than mixer or cooker. Next quiet, quieter than a library. Then next cooler, cooler than AC, means natural AC. In this way you can add your own by taking the adjectives from this poem. Next I am turning to next question. Next question is also what say, list all the nouns in the poem. In first question we have made the list of adjectives, and in second question they expected from us the list of nouns. So first I am reading the list of nouns from the poem. That in first line, that is spaceship. Then second, nail, snail. Then dinosaurs. Then nail, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam, desert, sea, house, pea, cave, toast, drill, ghost, ox, kitten, rock, mitten, tunnel, moon, then elf, path, mountain path, shelf. In this way they have given nouns. This is a list of nouns. Now we are going to see its remaining part of the question. That first then what that here, see that list all the nouns in the poem, just I have read it. Then next, find a suitable adjective other than the lines given here for each of the nouns, and write meaningful similes for at least 8 of them. For example, as yellow as a lemon. Here I would like to say that, what did here see that spaceship they have given. That spaceship is that what we can say that as tall as the spaceship, even as soft as a snail. Even we can say that as fearful as a dinosaur. Next, as thin as a nail. Then next, as fearful, as dangerous as a tiger. In this way, remaining nouns you have to take your own adjectives and make your such types of comparative. Next we are going to turn next question, that is question number 3rd. What that here see, that form groups of 6 to 8. It is actually practical work. For that grouping work, think of similes using different objects. For example, they have given here some examples, that is dry as land, wet as a puddle. The next I am adding here open as the sky, even that hot as the sun. In this way you have to add your own such that adjectives and similes, and you have to prepare your own. Next what that they had said, see, now try to put together similes to make a poem with rhyming lines. In this way you have to make a long list of similes, and with the help of these similes you have to prepare your own poem as your imagination. Next, that question is what that about, write the pairs of rhyming words Actually, it is very simple question, and then also I am giving here some examples, that is snail, nail, sea, pea, toast, ghost. In this way, you have to find out rhyming words.